If you currently own an Epson EcoTank printer, you're gonna wanna watch this video. This one thing could cost you hundreds of dollars and a damaged printer. Stay tuned because in this video, I have a solution to that problem. Hey, it's the printer guy here, and you're most likely watching this video because you've already done a Printhead cleaning on your Epson EcoTank printer with the Best Printers cleaning kit. If you haven't done that yet, go to my channel down below. You can click on my channel icon. Go to the search bar and search up your specific printer model. That is step one. If you're having printhead issues with your Epson EcoTank printer, you're gonna wanna take care of this. You're gonna wanna do a cleaning first. That's what's gonna help you solve your problem up front. Now, if you don't have a printhead issue, that means that you're printing blank pages, you're not able to print a certain color, you're just not able to print well. If you're not at that point yet, this video still applies to you. So it applies if you're doing the printhead cleaning, haven't done it yet, you've already done it, or if you don't need a printhead cleaning, this information is vital. As long as you have an Epson EcoTank printer, you need to watch this video. I would highly recommend you watch from the beginning all the way until the end, but there's gonna be chapters down below so you can skip around if you need to. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so the main thing I wanna talk about in this video is your Epson EcoTank maintenance boxes. An Epson EcoTank maintenance box, basically what it does is it absorbs leftover ink that comes from the printhead. Over time, this maintenance box can get clogged and it can cause the printhead to get clogged because this is backed up. Because if the ink has nowhere to go, then it's going to end up blocking up your printhead. Most people don't know you actually need to replace this maintenance box frequently. How frequently is really up to you. In my opinion, I would change it at least every 3 months. If you're printing large volumes, you may want to check on it sooner than that. But basically, if you have the Epson EcoTank 15,000 model, 3750, 4750, 4850, Epson EcoTank 3850, Epson EcoTank 2700, Epson EcoTank 2800. There are 2 different types of maintenance boxes, and so I'm going to be linking down below and I'm going to be specifying which maintenance box or ink pad is for which printer models. So down in the description box, you're going to see a list of different Epson EcoTank printers, and then you're going to have a link for that specified maintenance box or ink pad that is for that specific model. So there's going to be 2 different ones. There's this one, L3110. This is for a specific set of Epson EcoTank printers. Then you have this maintenance box. These are 2 compatible maintenance boxes for the Epson EcoTank lineup. So I want you to be aware of these products. They're down in the description below. This is what you need to know about. This $10 to $20 maintenance box is really going to save you hundreds of dollars over the life of your printer, and it's going to extend the longevity of your printer. And that is because, as I said, they collect gunked up ink. Most likely, if you have a printhead issue, meaning you're not able to print a certain color, you're printing blank pages, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you most likely also have a maintenance box issue. That means that most likely your maintenance box is backed up, is totally full of ink, and you need to swap it out. Again, links down below. Now I'm going to be linking in the description below also an instructional video for each one of these maintenance boxes on how to replace them. So that way you know specifically how to access, where to access it. There's a panel on the side of your Epson EcoTank printer. You slide that off. You may need to use a Phillips head screwdriver to actually take out a few screws. Once those screws are removed, you can then replace your maintenance box. But not replacing your maintenance box when it is totally full, especially if you're running power cleanings on your Epson EcoTank printer, or you've done deep cleanings, or you just have used it for so long and you haven't changed this maintenance box, you don't even know what a maintenance box is, you really are going to want to consider changing out your maintenance box. It will save you hundreds of dollars in the long run. Now, if you actually use the Best Printers cleaning kit to clean the printhead, you absolutely need to start out fresh. I would totally start out with changing out a maintenance box. You can get these products together on Amazon because this is going to prevent you having to use this cleaning kit again. You only want to have to use this cleaning kit one time. From there, you want to make sure that you're changing out your maintenance box. As long as your maintenance boxes are being changed out, you're going to have a lot less issues with your Epson EcoTank printer. Now, if you wanted to know more about what a maintenance box is, you want a little bit more of a detailed video explaining why you have to change it, how you change it, all the information behind that. I'm gonna be linking another video down in the description below as well. So a lot of resources for you here in this video. And so if you're dealing with this issue, this is the solution. It's a very simple solution. It will allow for you to extend the life of your printer. You won't have to constantly be doing deep cleanings, power cleanings, using cleaning kits like this one. However, if you're having that type of issue right now where you're not able to print a certain color, you're printing blank pages, you definitely want to consider using a cleaning kit like this one, but you only want to have to use this one time. I made this video because most people are not aware of this one thing that could cause so much damage in the printer and could cost you hundreds of dollars if it's not taken care of properly. This is just a regular part of maintenance. It's just like changing out the oil on your car. Your oil in your car has to be replaced frequently. Well, a maintenance box is just like that because these get filled up, they get dirty, and that's what happens to oil. It gets dirty, it gets used up, it gets to be not effective anymore. That's why you need to put in that fresh oil so that you have fresh oil running through your engine. Same thing with your Epson EcoTank printer. You need a fresh maintenance box so that all of that gunked up ink and leftover ink can go somewhere. And that way you don't end up having a clog in your Epson EcoTank printer. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.